Did you miss me? Peace fam. Yesterday I started a 14-day raw meal only challenge for myself. Now some others said they want to join me, but this is for myself. I want to see how much self-control and self-discipline I have. I'm plant-based. I'm not vegan or vegetarian, but I am plant-based. So the majority of my meals do consist of a lot of vegetables, but not just vegetables. I do seafood. So it's not like I'm just a certain title. I'm plant-based. But I want to see, I challenged myself to 14 days, raw meals only, nothing cooked, baked, broiled or fried for 14 days to see how I feel. One, I wanted to see how I feel. I wanted to see, I already have energy now. I just want to see if I cut out all processed foods, like will it take it to another level? So that's what I'm doing for myself for these 14 days. I started December the 1st and it will end December the 14th. If you want to join, come along. Post in the comments and let me know if you're going to join. If you want to do a day or two, you don't want to do the whole 14 days, that's fine. Just challenge yourself for a day and see if you can go without having any type of cooked food. So all raw, and see what you can do. If you like this video, make sure you comment and you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at NaimaJ_OK. And yeah, so I'm about to show you what I'm eating for lunch. All right, I'm about to show you what I'm eating for lunch. So I'm going to make a collard wrap. Yeah, a collard wrap. So when you eat raw, you cannot have any type of breads, right? So you gotta substitute your bread with either lettuce, kale, or collards, or something where you can, seaweed, or something where you can wrap it up in. So I'm about to show you how I make a collard wrap. So come along. Okay, so I have my collard greens for my wrap to wrap it in. I also shaved some carrots, some shredded carrots. I chopped up some cucumbers. These are my avocado, sliced avocado. These are my alfalfa sprouts, mango, and red cabbage. So what you want to do is you get your collard greens. You know, they all come in big leafy things. So the bigger the leaf, the bigger the sandwich. The bigger the leaf, the bigger the roll. So I'm gonna go with this one because I'm hungry right now. Freshly rinsed and cleaned off collard green. You want to cut off the stalk because you don't want it so crunchy. I mean, this is my personal preference. You might want the crunch in it, but I personally don't care for it. And it's so hard in the middle. That's just so you want to enjoy it. You want to kind of just take some of that away without putting a hole into it. Slowly, carefully slice it where it takes some of that hardness away, some of the stalk away, so it won't be so hard in the middle. I think that's mostly what I'm doing. Okay, so there you go. And so what you're gonna do is, and then you kind of just stuff it however you want to stuff it. So I'm gonna put my cucumbers in the middle. So I'm gonna put mine in the middle, like I'm gonna layer it like this. So cucumbers in the middle. I'm gonna put my red cabbage on the side. I'm gonna put my carrots on the side. So I'm gonna line it up like this. This is how I'm gonna line mine up, like that. I'm going to lay my mangoes towards the end. Ooh, this looks so good. And then I'm gonna top it with my avocados in the middle, so towards the other end. So you get that sweet and then that other type of texture on the other end. So this is what's inside of it. So a little bit more cucumbers. I love cucumbers. Oh, can't forget my sprouts. I love sprouts. And I just want to dazzle it all over and sprout. So what you do to make sure you roll it accordingly so it won't spill out, you tuck the two sides in this way, and then you roll from this point, this end right here, and you just roll. No, see, why can't let me be great? What's the hole for? What is the hole for? Continue to tuck and roll. Might put too much in there. Not that. Tuck and roll, tuck and roll. And I'm gonna tuck it, hold it with, do I got a toothpick? I have one more a toothpick, so I'm gonna hold it just like this together. Boom. There goes one. That's your collard wrap. Just like that. And what I'll do, gotta hold it together. And you cut it down the middle. And boom. Hopefully, okay, it's gonna stay. I was like, is it gonna stay? It's gonna stay. So then you have your collard wraps. But you can eat it just like this if you want to. Or any type of sauce or salad dressing you want to throw over it and you want to eat just like that, you can definitely do it just like that. Here is but here it is. And so this is your collard wrap with carrots, shredded carrots, mango, alfalfa sprouts, cucumbers, and red cabbage. This is my first time having a collard cold, other than daggone near boiled that type of collard green. You know what I'm talking about, them collard greens that be kind of soggy and stuff. Now kale fresh, but collard, this is good. Subscribe. I will post the recipe down in my comments. Subscribe and like if you want to see more videos of me cooking delicious meals or just health tips, tricks, and other things. You guys be well out there. Oh, and if you want to join me on this journey, feel free. Tag #RawLife on your Instagram post or your Facebook, or just comment below and let me know if you tried this recipe and if you enjoy it. Peace, fam. Live well.